Hey, it's your girl Linda, Party Chef, and today we are making collard greens. That's right, collard greens. Thanksgiving is coming up next week, and collard greens is a staple on our Thanksgiving table. So this is a quick and easy recipe so that you will not have to be up all night cooking a pot of greens, okay? I'm starting with fresh greens that I have purchased from the market. I bought 2 bunches. If you don't feel like cutting them yourself, they also come in a bag already cut for you in your local grocery store. You can get collard greens, kale, they have mustard, turnips, whatever kind you want, you can find it there. I'm using baking soda now to clean the greens. This step is very, very, very important. Did I say it's important? You want to make sure that your greens are clean. When you purchase your greens, they are grimy, they have dirt, they have bugs, and you don't want any of that stuff in your food. So again, I am using baking soda. You can also use salt to clean your greens, and you're just going to put them in the sink. Of course, my sink has been washed previously with a bleach and water solution. You can use Clorox spray, whatever you want. Just make sure your sink is clean before you start putting your food in there. All right, so I'm washing the greens. Again, I wash the greens 3 times with baking soda. This is to ensure that they are clean, all the grime is gone. I washed them until the water ran clear. Now, how are you going to season your greens today? It depends on what you like, okay? You can use turkey, you can use pork. Most people will use some kind of smoked meat, okay? Today, I am using smoked turkey leg, okay? I purchased 1 large turkey leg. I rinsed it off. Then I cut the meat off of the bone because it was rather large and would not fit into my pressure cooker. That's what I'm cooking those greens in today, is a pressure cooker. That is going to decrease your time significantly in cooking these greens. I love my pressure cooker. It really cuts down the time that you are spending cooking your food. Shout out to Darius Cooks for the pressure cooker and for this greens recipe. My greens have cooked for 45 minutes and they are now ready, but make sure that you release all of the steam from the pressure cooker before opening it. That's a very important step as well. Make sure that it is turned away from you so that you don't get burnt. Now we're going to begin seasoning our greens. They are done here now, and we're going to start seasoning our greens, okay? Today, for my greens, I am using all-purpose seasoning. I'm using Tony Chacheres Creole seasoning, crushed red pepper, and a little sugar, along with some olive oil, okay? You're going to season it to your taste. Whatever seasonings you like in your greens, you can use that. You can switch it up, whatever you want. After that, I'm taking all of the bones out of the pot of greens. I want to be sure that there are no bones in there. So consider adding this recipe to your repertoire for the holidays, especially because you'll be able to cook this recipe in just 45 minutes and your greens are done. You don't have to cook them for 3 or 4 hours. 45 minutes is it nice and tender. So listen, if you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Come back to our channel for more recipes, helping you to upgrade your culinary and baking skills. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you being here. Enjoy! And let us help you upgrade your culinary and baking skills. Thanks for watching.